So this is the famous neighborhood of Botafogo in Rio de Janeiro. It's considered to be one of the best neighborhoods that you can live on this city, and it's actually a very nice neighborhood. Look at this. There's so many nice buildings. It has a very good transport. They have a tube, they have cafes, they have a shopping center, a mall, everything, and they have this beautiful view and the beach. It's actually crazy. It's actually perfect. What else do you want on a neighborhood? Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am in the beautiful city of Rio De Janeiro. Beautiful. I'm getting the tube right now. We're going to the Botafogo, and it's very beautiful neighborhood. It's considered to be one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in the world. It has a very high human development index of 0.95. This is like Sweden, places like that. That's the level of the neighborhood. It's very beautiful, it's very aesthetic, pleasing, and yeah, so we're gonna have a look. Let's see if the neighborhood of Botafogo is actually that good. Alright, so I just got here on the Botafogo neighborhood and I just left the tube, and there's a few shops around, some like pavements so you can walk around. It's very nice, and banks, and yeah, basically everything you need to live your life. But we're not even on the best part yet. Have to walk a little bit. Let's see what we can find. There's a lot of cafes and places to have a coffee. Bikes you can rent, and that's very nice because there is a place over there where you can enjoy a bike ride. It's very nice. There's police everywhere too, that's a good sign. Some coconut water, and right here we have the famous shopping Botafogo. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what's happening. Ooh. So the story of this neighborhood is very interesting because I was reading online that the neighborhood is basically where Rio started, and even the court of Portugal, when they were colonizing Brazil, they basically had houses here and everything, so it was a very important part of Rio. So it's very nice, very interesting, and we're gonna go to the best part now. Best part of the neighborhood was the view. It's amazing. Some police presence here. Some people running. This looks like the perfect place to run. Look at this. Okay, everybody, look at this view. What? Oh my god. This is crazy. Now imagine you waking up. Imagine you waking up in the morning and that's the view you have. That's why you see, when you leave one of these buildings, when you live in this neighborhood. Alright everyone, so this is the place where people usually do some exercise. They enjoy, and it's a beautiful view. Today is very hot. I'm actually melting right now. There is a very good number of buses. They have the tube. So if you want to get here, there's many ways you can go. You can get Uber too, or you can just rent a bike, and then you're gonna get here. I came here now near the water so you can see. So basically, this is not the best beach for sea bath. So if you're thinking of having a sea bath here, you're gonna regret it, because as you can see, there's many boats, and yeah, this was basically where the city started. So yeah, you don't want to have a sea bath here. You can see that most of people just come here to exercise, and that's the focus of this beach. I just noticed you also have a view for the Christ the Redeemer. Ah, that's actually nice. And right now you're probably wondering, this is Rio at the end. Is it safe? Well, there is some stats that I found, and they basically do a research asking for the people who live on the neighborhood if it's a safe neighborhood. And 74% of the people said they consider the neighborhood safe. And that's a very good sign. That means that the people who are living here, most of them think this is a very safe neighborhood. So that's what actually increases a lot the human development index. Now look at the view of this clothing shop. This is a clothes shop inside of the shopping, and a lot of people come here just to take some pictures, and it's actually amazing. And the prices are not bad also inside of the shop. Very beautiful. So I found this place where you can help yourself with anything you want. Just 35 reais. There's many options. It's very good. The price is also good, so you can get anything you want. That's it then. So I'm finishing the video here. I'm on the tube station now. I got a present for my girlfriend. So yeah, that was the beautiful neighborhood of Botafogo. Very nice, very nice. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.